lion of the land, a man so brave, cried out loud for freedom, the country to save. From Jaintiapur he came, a fight he began, to free his people, to break every ban. Though blocked by gates, he firmly stood, like a tree of strength in the people's mood. When oppression struck, he rose like fire. KIANGNANGBAH, fueled by righteous ire. He never left his people in the face of death. With noble soul, he gave his last breath. When foreign voices tried to crush the land, he stood his ground with a fearless hand. Today we walk in the path you made, our future built on the courage you gave. Your name remains in history's flame. KIANGNANGBAH, our pride, our name. A future built on the courage you gave. Your name remains in history's flame. KIANGNANGBAH, our pride, our name.